So I've got the train all the way through to Alston, which is the end of the line, and I'm now walking back to Slaggyford and to the car alongside the railway track. There's a lovely easy path to follow which goes all alongside the railway track, so a nice easy 5-mile stroll back to the car. You can see by the size of this bridge that the original railway line up to Alston was standard gauge. So I've made a bit of a detour from the route I was taking to come up to Whitley Castle, or as it's also known, Epiacum Fort. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly at all, but there you go. And this is a Roman fort about 2 miles outside of Alston, and it is one of the largest Roman forts in this area. I don't think it's been ever fully excavated, but it's quite unusual. It's a diamond shape and it's got these fortifications, these earth banks, which are quite unusual apparently. So I thought I'd come and have a look at it. It was built around the same time as Hadrian's Wall. So these earth ramps here, which defended the northern front of the fort, are apparently unique to any Roman fort. I think not only in the UK but actually in Europe, and they don't entirely know apparently why these earth ramps were built, because you don't find them in other locations. You probably can see behind me that the bridge over the railway line is double width. In other words, it was designed to take 2 tracks, not just 1 track. And when they built the railway line originally, it was originally going to have 2 tracks, but in the end it was just a single track railway, and the line to Alston closed in 1976.